What's in there? SpongeBob movie. You got SpongeBob movies.
2 of them.
2 of them.
You want to see?
Yeah, hold them up.
Well, I know. I saw this one before.
Okay.
You want to see? You know I saw this one before?
Uh-huh.
Because look. I saw this one, this one, this one.
Okay.
Unbelievable.
All right. Say thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Granny.
Smile. What else did you get?
Optimus?
Oh, that's a big Optimus Prime. Look at that.
Battlesword deployed.
Wow.
Prepare to fight. Autobots, transform and roll out. One shall stand, one shall fall.
Connor, that's pretty cool.
Optimus Prime.
Oh,
Battlesword deployed. Prepare to fight. Autobots, transform and roll out. One shall stand, one shall fall.
Well, that's going to be great after the 100th time.
Optimus Prime.
All right, Optimus Prime. How about you tear the rest of the paper off of that?
okay.
Deployed.
All right. All right, look up. What do you say to Granny?
Thank you. Is she on there?
No, she's not on here right now. I'm taking video for her. Just say thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Granny.
All right, you got one more.
I know. So I'm going to open it. Let's see what is it. Oh, great. It's the same one.
What do you mean? Let me see. Oh, well, that's okay.
What?
We can take it back and get a different one if that's what we need to do.
No, it's nice.
Of course it's nice. Thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Granny.
All right.
Look.